Hey, this is Rohin from PCPeasantsGaming, and today we are unboxing the MSI GL65. The MSI GL65 is the perfect laptop for gamers who are on a budget. While some gaming laptops tend to pile on features, MSI has been smart and has picked only the most essential features for the GL65. The laptop's amazing performance is due to the processor at the heart of this machine. The GL65 boasts the latest 9th generation, the Intel i7 9750H processor. Built for power users and gamers, the GL65 will run any game you throw at it. Let's talk design of the MSI GL65. The overall design of the laptop is minimalistic. The GL65 is quite light despite its size and manages to pack incredible value. Let's open the laptop and see what we find. The keyboard is designed by SteelSeries, which allows for per-key RGB configuration. This is great for RGB enthusiasts who want complete control over their customization. If you look carefully, you'll notice the bezels on this display are ultra thin. The large display along with the thin bezels provide a really immersive gaming experience. The MSI GL65 is a beast of a laptop, running a 9th generation Intel i7 9750H processor at the heart of the machine. Combine the Intel i7 9th gen processor with the GTX 1660 Ti and you have a great gaming machine that runs most AAA titles. But the most significant feature for this laptop is the thermals. The GL65 packs a lot of value with the Cooler Boost 5 thermal system that maximizes airflow through these large vents at the bottom and on the sides with a total of 7 heat pipes to ensure your Intel i7 gives you maximum performance under extreme gaming. So your i7 performs like a featherweight endurance athlete over long sessions of gaming and streaming simultaneously. Compared to previous models, the MSI GL65 boasts a louder set of speakers. Games come alive with the world-class Dynaudio sound system. Users can tweak their sound settings with the simple and intuitive UI of the sound engine Nahimic 3. In addition to this, the MSI Dragon Center enables the user to monitor and optimize performance through various customizations and freeing system memories to prioritize in-game performance. All in all, the MSI GL65 is an extremely solid, sound, good-looking laptop that gets the important things done. The Intel Core i7 processor will power you through intense long hours of gaming on a display that's large and immersive while delivering enhanced thermal performance with the Cooler Booster 5 software. All this and the incredibly large speakers make this a great buy at an extremely competitive price point. I would certainly recommend checking out the MSI GL65. I hope this review gives you all the information you need to select your MSI gaming machine. This is Rohin from PC Peasants Gaming. Peace and happy gaming. Take care.